Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you a little bit of happiness or peace or just a break from the world today through painting. Specifically, I'm going to be doing some paint pours. I've really been getting into these recently. I'm doing a mini canvas and a big canvas as well because I was using a lot of paint for the big canvas, so I wanted to use up some of the extra on this small canvas. And I decided to use like a little shot glass that's reusable. I use these for painting quite often. I use them to create bubbles. I use them for this. I use them to mix paints. So constantly getting used. And then the other one, I am just reusing a old toothpick holder. And I'm letting that sit on the other canvas for a little bit of time while I focus on working on this little canvas. I just kind of use the plastic bag to, move the canvas around because I wasn't going to touch it. If you touch it, you'll get little fingerprints in the art, and you don't want that. So I am using a mixture of premium acrylic paint and cheapo Walmart paint. I noticed that when I do this, it works out best because the Walmart paint is great for moving the paint around. The premium paint does not move easily. However, the premium paint is a better quality. It has more pigment, in my opinion, and it also makes it so the whole canvas does not crack. If it was strictly just the Walmart paint, this whole canvas would crack. But with that premium paint in there, it really just helps it not crack whatsoever. And I did add glitter to this canvas, and I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. I found the glitter, I think, at Dollar Tree or something, and then I was like, I have to have this. That is so perfect. It was like a glitter acrylic paint. It just like a clear glitter. And that is very much my vibe. So be aware there's going to be some glitter coming for sure in the upcoming videos and YouTube shorts that will be coming your way. Now, if you didn't watch my prior paint pour video, I did like a pink, yellow toned background. For this one, I'm doing the blues and the pinks, and I decided I do want to like draw something on this. So after I finished and let it dried, I decided to draw a little monstera plant on there. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. I don't know, monstera. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, whatever. But I like plants a lot. I don't know. I just watch a lot of TikToks on plants. I have a lot of plants. They're growing. They're alive. So I gotta be doing something right. I don't know. I decided that was the vibe I wanted on this canvas. I debated doing like a little under the sea vibe moment, but I thought that was kind of basic since it was blue. I also wanted to do like a really cool geode theme with some rhinestones. I've been wanting to incorporate rhinestones recently into a canvas. That's something I'm wanting to play around with. Just some ideas. I was really struggling to get this entire canvas covered, so I had to work with what I had and cover some areas on my own, and then I just made sure all the edges were covered. Again, no fingerprints, and I added a glossy Mod Podge layer, and this was the finished product. How cute! I'm just in love with it. I hope you liked it as well. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and maybe even share with one of your friends. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself because you deserve it. I hope I see you next time. For now, take care. Bye-bye.